Calvin, you going for a ride?
Better than a ride, Truman. I'm going sweeping.
Sweeping? You're gonna have to refresh my memory. What is a sweep?
Sweep is the sweetest job as a coach. I'm the last person on the ride, sweeping up all the problems. Rider gets a flat tire, got him. Broken chains, got him. All sorts of adjustment problems. I'm the one to do that job.
Oh, it sounds like a blast. What do you need for a job like that?
Well, sweep, first you gotta have some tools and you gotta have them right handy quick. I like the RTP-1, it keeps the tools right here so I can reach in and grab my MTB5. I'm fixing the broken chains. I got your loose parts right here, adjusting derailleurs right there.
Oh, slick.
Oh, you got a flat tire on your tubeless. So what I got for you is a plug. The TPT comes with it. It all lashes right there. I'm not digging around in any kind of backpack. Here, I got my pump right handy. Like to add a few PSI, even if I have to keep re-adding and re-adding. There's always air. I can keep adding pressure.
So you have all these tools readily accessible with the RTP-1. What's in the backpack?
Well, you know, sometimes, Truman, the vehicle is not the problem. Sometimes it's the engine, and if you're bonking, I got you covered.
Well, that's a really slick setup, Calvin. You've really thought of everything.
Well, what I like is the RTP-1 being right visible, because I never forget it.
Well, that's slick. I'll see you tomorrow. Have fun sweeping. Keep on doing good things.